Last time I was here, it was the Asian Youth Championships launch, so we had that last year in July, and it was great to see the Asian Youth Championships kind of recognised here in Europe. Before I even went there, I looked up all the clubs in Asia and saw the Viet Celts. And then, yeah, within a week of being there, I was already training with them, and like, you just feel like you're fitting in already straight away. Being part of the Viet Celts is a great achievement, you know, like they're such a good club, and we've built it up so well. So it started like 2007, like when I was doing my leaving cert, you know, and then when I went over, like a good training session, like good attendance would have been maybe 16 to 20 people, and like a lot of people have come over since then, and we'd have up to 80 on a very good weekend for the adult sessions, and then, like I was saying, the kids sessions. Last weekend we had 8 sessions on a weekend, and we had like over 150 kids playing. And we had Asia's first cool camp there as well, so like a busy old year for us, isn't it? You might get some kid who thinks they're coming down to join a soccer club, and then he's like, what is this all about? And you've got the ball in your hands, but then by the end of it, they always love it. Like, you get so much out of Vietnam, like you live a very good life over there, so it's important to give back. Before I got there, the club was already involved with a charity called Blue Dragon Children's Foundation, and so I got involved with coaching the kids, Gaelic football with that, tried to build up our programme from there. So I actually left for a year, and then I came back, and the youth programme kind of faded off, and I decided like there was a lot of potential there, so I said let's get it going again. And we started off with just like 6 kids or whatever, and then now it's up, we'd have maybe 150 over the course of a week playing Gaelic football, and you just get so much out of it. I guess what we're most proud of with the Viet Celts is that we're a club for everybody, you know. We're very lucky, thanks to the Global Games Development Fund, that the pitches and equipment are free, and then we don't charge anything to the kids at all. So we've got kids from some of the poorest areas of Hanoi able to take part, together with kids from some of the most affluent schools, you know. So they're all there on the same pitch every Saturday, Sunday, playing together, and it's just great to see.